Hey everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to make Matar Paneer. Let's get started. First, heat the oil in a pan. Chop the onions, green chilies and tomatoes. Now add paneer in a pan until it's golden brown. Onions, green chilies on the same heated oil. Saute until it's golden brown. Now add minced garlic. Now time for spices. Sprinkling turmeric, cumin powder, Kashmiri lal mirch, chili powder and garlic granules. Stir well to coat everything evenly. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes and cook until it's soft. Add some salt. Then put some water and bring it to a boil. Now add cubed paneer to the pan. Gently mix with the masala. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Now add a matar to the pan. Gently mix with everything and let it simmer for another few minutes. Sprinkle fresh cilantro leaves over the paneer for that extra flavor and aroma. And there you have a delicious Matar Paneer ready to serve. Thanks for cooking along with me today, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes, and happy cooking!